Hello everyone. Welcome to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be making green bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper, and lime and ginger juice. Guys, that is what we are making in this video. We also know the benefits of green bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper. Green bell pepper is very powerful. It contains plenty of vitamin A and vitamin B complex. It's very powerful, and you can also use it for skin treatment. You can also use it for hair loss. It have a lot of health benefits. So guys, now I have sliced my green pepper. Now I'm going to be cutting my ginger. Ginger have a lot of health benefits as well. You can also use ginger to treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. When you have any type of morning sickness, you can be taking ginger. You can blend it, you can use it to cook, you can use it to make tea. It's very healthy. It has a lot of benefits. Ginger can also help with weight loss. When you are trying to reduce your weight, you can also use ginger for your weight loss. It has a lot of benefits as well. It can also help you for low blood sugar. If you have low blood sugar, ginger can also help you to reduce it and improve heart diseases risk factors. Ginger have a lot of health benefits, a lot. So if you have not been taking ginger, I advise you to be taking your ginger, especially when you want to make your tea in the morning. It's very good. Okay guys, okay, now I'm going to be using this baking soda to wash my red bell pepper and ginger to make sure it's very clean. Keep washing guys. God bless you. Now it's time to blend my green bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper, and my ginger together. Now I'm going to be putting it inside the blender. Then I will add water to it to blend it very well. Now I'm going to be adding my lime. You know, lime also have a lot of health benefits. Lime is a good source of vitamin C as well. It has a lot of health benefits. It supports weight loss as well, and it improves your skin quality. If you want to improve your skin quality, lime can also help you to increase your skin qualities. It also helps you to digest your food. Okay guys, lime is very good. So now I'm going to be adding my lime. Then I will just give it a nice stir. Okay guys, we are almost done. My glass is here, so I'm going to be pouring it inside the glass, my glass cup. Oh, I have to use cup. Then I will give it a nice stir again. So I'm going to be using this plastic cup to put it inside my glass cup. You can see the color of this juice, guys. Wow. Oh my God. It's ready, guys. Let me just test it. So nice, and you have a good taste with the lime. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video to the end. God bless you for being there for me. I love you all. Please, if you like this video, share with your friends and family. Subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe, support this YouTube channel. As you do, God will bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.